In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shopping ads in Google Ads as part of the Google Ads Complete Course 2025. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to expand your advertising strategy, shopping ads are a powerful way to showcase your products to potential customers as they search online. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to visit the Google Ads homepage. Head over to ads.google.com where you can get familiar with the platform if you're not already. Once you're there, click on Sign In located at the top right corner. Enter your account credentials to access your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but that's a topic for another video. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is your hub for managing all your advertising needs. Here, you're going to look out for the campaign button, which is usually located in the left side menu. Click on it to open up options for creating a new campaign. Once you're in the campaign section, it's time to set up a new campaign specifically for your shopping ads. Click on New Campaign and you'll be directed to a page where you can select your campaign goal. Since we're focusing on sales, go ahead and click on Sales from the options provided. This selection is crucial as it helps tailor your campaign settings towards maximizing sales. After selecting Sales, click Continue to move on to the next step. The system will guide you through configuring your new campaign. Here you'll select shopping as your campaign type. This is where Google Ads really shines in helping you reach buyers who are actively searching for the products you offer. While setting up your shopping campaign, keep in mind that you'll need to have your Google Merchant Center linked to your Google Ads account because shopping ads pull product data from the Merchant Center to build automated ads. Be sure to have your Merchant Center account set up and your product feed ready beforehand. Finally, once you've gone through all these steps and verified your setup, you can proceed to finalize your campaign settings. Ensure everything is correctly configured, such as setting your budget, targeting options, and any other parameters that align with your business objectives. Remember that a well-structured shopping campaign can drive specific and qualified traffic to your website, increasing your chances of converting clicks into customers. As always, it's beneficial to review and optimize your campaigns regularly to achieve the best results. If you need more help or insights, don't hesitate to explore more tutorials on our channel or visit the Google Ads Help Center. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.